So I know you want to build wealth, right? But you probably don't know exactly what you want to do with all the money that you've earned over the years. That's fine, right? And that's what we're here to educate you on, right? But the first thing that you need to understand is, or I need to teach you is what the purpose of money actually is, right? For a lot of you guys, you think that, the purpose of money is to save it or to give it to your kids or to spend it, right? And all three of those are the wrong mindset, right? The number one purpose of money is number one, is to make it pregnant and make babies, right? That's the first thing. The second thing is you need to do this faster. All right. So now let's talk about these two things, right? I'm pretty sure none of you guys actually thought about this before, right? The first thing, get it pregnant and make babies. Now, what do I mean by that, right? You need to put your money in some kind of vehicle, right? That's going to multiply the amount of money that you've earned over the years. That's fair, right? But if you ask yourself right now, right? If you go to the bank and you put your money in the bank, is your money actually going to multiply? The answer is no, right? If you put your money in the stock market, is it going to multiply? A little bit, but not really. Right? So the second thing is, if you put your money in the bank, how fast is this money going to actually multiply? The answer is not in your lifetime. It's probably not even going to double in your lifetime, right? Because right now, I think the banks give you less than 1% per year. So when you put your money in the actual bank, you're not getting it pregnant. It's not making babies. And then number two, it's not actually growing faster. This is where crypto comes in.